Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can draw on top of glass effect on Photoshop. So go to filter gallery, and this is what I used. The glass one, distortion 20, smoothness 3, texture frosted, and scaling up to 200. Press OK. Oh, and make sure you do it on your duplicate layer. I forgot to mention you have to duplicate your layer. Select the first layer, and we're going to add curves to it. We're just going to make that under layer just a little bit brighter, I guess. And then we're going to select this one, and then we are going to press the mask button. Grab your brush, make sure you're using black, and you're just going to draw away, and it's going to essentially give you the effect that you're drawing on frosted glass, I guess. So maybe I should add more smoothness to the brush. I don't know. Maybe just a little bit here. And then if you want to make it look like it's dripping, just make the size a little bit smaller and just draw some drips around like so. But yeah, that is it basically. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!